Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. Cold day in Long Island, New York. Behind is the greenhouse and the outdoor garden. Not much left. Let me show you guys real quick. So this is the outside right now. I still got kale. The kale is surviving the freezing cold weather. It's pretty cool because it's in a. It went down to 30 something degrees. I think 29 actually. I harvest some of the pak choy and the mustard green. Just kind of step back to show you my small greenhouse. Now we're gonna enter inside. Might have to close the door to keep it a little warm though. Alright guys, so greenhouse, trying to do some duct tape damage over there. There's no heat in here, just whatever comes from the sunlight basically inside. And I'll show you guys. You can see the tomato plant is starting taking a beating from the sun. The other day it got really hot in the greenhouse and I didn't open up the door. You can see the tomatoes are coming in there. Beautiful tomatoes. Alright, got a couple more back there. Lettuce, it was so hot the other day, some of the lettuce plant bolted, but you could see the leaves are not that rich of a green. They're not doing the best. I got some peppers here, see that? So we still got some stuff survive and holding on right now in the greenhouse. I still have to see the scallions are not looking the best too. You see that? That's from the weather changing too. The other one is already going. These lettuce are okay. So right here you could see I do have green peppers right here, and I got some spinach right here. See that? They're ready to, these guys are ready to harvest. Baby spinach. And a quick showing you guys around. I got more peppers here, changing colors right now. And these are some hot peppers right now. You can see the plant, these pepper plant still producing really good. Cayenne pepper plant is coming up. The pepper plants are still doing amazing. I have the white flies. I've been trying to get rid of them, but they're coming back. They're holding on so strong. And you can see I got some purple peppers ready, but you could see the plant, like, oh my god, like this one right here got so crispy, guys, due from one day last week the sun came out really hot. And when the sun came out really hot, it doesn't matter if it's cold outside, with the sun heat that comes inside here will literally make this greenhouse really hot right now. And the peppers are definitely doing amazing. The tomato plant, not sure if it's gonna go. It's definitely going. I gotta do a pruning, but I can't do a pruning like this because the plant is already like burned up, stressed out. My daughter Grace just decided to come around. What do you sell, lettuce? You want to go ahead and get your purple pepper? Look over there. We got some of them over there.
Ooh. Like
one. You got two more. So she loves these purple pepper. These purple pepper are flavor rich, delicious. Two. We got one more. Maybe we'll give Pepper the pet pig a pepper out there. Which one should we give him? You want to give him one? She's not going to share the purple one.
There's a big tomato behind here.
Yeah, well, you want to give him one of the small one? Look, there's a small one back there.
Did you get it?
I could get it. Look, it's right here. So, guys, right here. The leaves. Like, see that? Small one. We're going to give Pepper. Let me show you guys. Yep. Hold on one second. Let's give Pepper. Go ahead. Pepper's been doing damage. Really damage control with Pepper here. It's like nothing for this guy. Dinner time is coming up soon, so he's gonna be eating a bunch of stuff. So hi to everyone, Pep. It's pretty cool, but the greenhouse has been surviving, and I do have to plant some seed to get indoor garden started. I'm gonna try a couple plants for indoor. So I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully next week. It's been really busy coming up with a Thanksgiving too. It's gonna be a lot because we're hosting Thanksgiving, so we got family and friends coming over. A lot of cooking, so that's gonna be a lot. Plus I'm bringing out the Christmas stuff already, putting up decoration and stuff. All right, guys. So just wanted to show you a quick video of GreenTGarden, and we're still going on a little bit here. And I'll thank you guys for watching so much. I have more videos coming up. I'm going to show you guys what I'm seeding, how I'm seeding, on what am I seeding. Definitely I'm going to show you guys what I'm seeding for indoor. and we could still harvest indoor while snow is falling outside in New York. And always, guys, if you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. Check out my playlist. I have a lot of garden videos, tips, and tricks. And if you guys like my video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe is 100% free, and I have more videos coming up. And please share my videos to help anyone, guys, in the garden world. It's free. And thank you guys so much, and happy Thanksgiving to everybody. And I have more shorts video coming up to show you guys quick